Hey friends, are you tired of unwanted facial hair and looking for a pain-free hair removal method you can try at home? No wax, no threading, and no harsh chemicals, just smooth, glowing skin in minutes. In this video, I'll show you an easy DIY natural hair removal remedy that's safe, affordable, and works instantly. Let's get started. We all know waxing can be painful, threading can irritate the skin, and store-bought hair removal creams can be full of chemicals. That's why this natural hair removal at home method is perfect. It's gentle, effective, and budget-friendly. Ingredients you'll need: 2 tablespoons gram flour, great for gentle cleansing. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, a natural antiseptic and skin brightener. 1 tablespoon yogurt, for soft and hydrated skin. A little rose water, for freshness and soothing effect. Method: in a clean bowl, combine the gram flour, turmeric, yogurt, and rose water. Mix well until you get a smooth, thick paste. Apply the paste to areas with unwanted facial hair, like the upper lip, chin, or sides of the face. Always apply against the direction of hair growth. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes until fully dry. Removal: once dry, gently rub off the paste in circular motions. You'll notice instant hair removal along with brighter, softer skin. Aftercare tips: apply aloe vera gel or moisturizer for smoothness. Repeat 1 to 2 times a week for long-lasting results. So that's how you can do painless hair removal at home with natural ingredients. No wax, no threading, no chemicals, just healthy, glowing skin. If you enjoyed this DIY beauty tip, hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare remedies. Thanks for watching.